My name is Robert Ashton Winslow. For the last year, I've been producing an independent documentary series called Southern Dialogues about civic life and changing times in the American South, including one that I did here in the fall about Chattanooga. I grew up here, and I've always seen this place as having the story of the American city. And as I've gone to ask how the South is changing, one of the real themes that comes together is the growth of cities. Here in Chattanooga, we see that really intensely, and I see all of the big themes that are driving the change across the South, across the country, coming together in a way that's totally conscious, where we're explicitly building this city for the next generation. For this series in Chattanooga, I've got 4 themes that I'm working on that will be documentaries at the end of the year. One is about the gig and building this culture of entrepreneurship here so we go into the new economy. The changing real estate market, housing, and gentrification, the regional aspects, and the Thrive 2055 process. And then there's public education, where it all comes together. And as much more as you want to help me with. When I say I'm out here to listen and to learn, I'm putting out the call. These conversations are already happening at every level of the city. When I say that my goal with this series is to hold Chattanooga up as a community that's taking itself seriously and is at work on the big questions. What is your side of this city's story? What are you working on that we could share, that we could all learn from? And as you see me out here, please know the only thing that's most important to me is how to be respectful. I'm doing this Southern Dialogue series for a year now. I've got 5 or 6 more months I can just be going all in on it. This summer we're going to field test this concept for civic media, and there's no reason to cut anything out of it. And it's just me. I'm on Indiegogo right now, so if any of this makes sense to you, I strongly encourage you to contribute or to share, but get in touch with me. I'll be working out of the 4th floor, having public conversations everywhere that I can, and we'll be working with this really cool open platform for web video that I'm going to need your help with. Chattanooga 2015. Let's see what we can do.